Stop your purchase. Let me get you a 35% off cash rebate instantly right now for CVS. Take 2 minutes to save yourself 35%. Click the link in the description below to download the app. Once you download the app, you just sign up and select your voucher for 35% off so that you can get 35% off rebate right now. So you purchase it, you scan the code, and it's going to give you 35% off cash back. I'll have a small instructional video right now to show you exactly how to do it so you can get that 35% off rebate cash back and start saving immediately. Welcome back. Now, wasn't that easy? So just think of it now. Anytime that you go shopping, online, in store, you have the ability to get rebates and cash back on everything you purchase. Now, for signing up, you did get 3 vouchers for 35% off on like 20 different stores. But guess what? There's over 200 stores that you have the ability to save at. Whether you're online or in store, you can save on almost anything. Whether it's your phone bill, whether it's your place that you love to eat, the place that you like to get your glasses, the things that you love shipped to your house all the time in that big A box. Walmart, Amazon, it's all covered. So start saving, and if you like your friends and family, you can share it with them. They'll also get 3 vouchers for 35% off cash back. For every friend that you refer, you'll get an additional 35% off voucher to go to any one of those stores. And anytime that they redeem an offer, you'll also get a rebate offer for yourself as well, just for referring them. So thanks for watching. If this was helpful and you loved saving 35% off and getting cash back promos, smack that thumbs up, and we'll talk to you next time.